Gold most likely will see 2868 by March to April 2025. Now, this is something that I said before, and I want to reiterate this point because we are going to get very close to it. And I got my good reason to share with you because the KCX indicator that I have is very powerful and it's precise. Now, guys, one thing to note, gold have been going up, and congratulations to everyone. Those who follow me to buy gold recently, we said that the KCX indicator has a bottom base right here, and that was a very moment when gold went down, right? So when this happened itself, many people was like saying that gold will go down to like 2,500 and even 2,450. But I did say that no, gold has slightly has bottomed, and that is exactly it is. With my diamond indicator now, we can confirm that gold is going to go higher, and now it's mounting towards the first target, which 2742 area. As a matter of fact, I think that in the later part of this month or maybe early February, we should see 2787. And of course, my ultimate target is 2868. So why and how do I get this number? I'll share you more in detail, but let's go into the fundamental. Now, one thing to note is that everybody is pretty clear that Donald Trump wants a weaker dollar. But apparently, the media seems to be picking up and says that it's not possible. As a matter of fact, they say the consensus for the strong dollar is too high, and thing is that it's very difficult for Donald Trump to get what he wants. But interestingly, Donald Trump has been saying this for a long time since August last year. He has been telling people that he want to plan to weaken the dollar, and in fact, itself when he keep on saying this, the media seem to go against him. In fact, they think that his wish to get a weaker dollar is not very possible. So this is where it gets very interesting. But nonetheless itself, right, we all know that the US dollar is now under some form of selling. You can see that the US dollar has went up to the high of 110 recently and then it pulled back. Now, if you look at the Williams indicator itself, every time when the Williams indicator comes to the bottom here, it precisely gets the bottom of the market. So where we are seeing now is something like this. So by right, we're going to see a bottoming out soon, right? But the problem is this, if you look at A, B, C, and now D, you can see that the market actually closed below D, and it seems that there will be a strong resistance now. It means support and resistance. So if you ask me, I think there's a very good chance that the dollar can go down all the way to 105.50 zone. And now if that would happen, with the current price of 108.50 now, that will be a 300 basis point, right? So with that, that means that for gold at the current price of 2,700, there's a very good chance that gold will go to 28.68 easily if the dollar do punch down to 105.50. Do you think so? Yeah, if you do the mathematics, I think you should get the number. So with that, that means that the gold is going to go up, right? But the thing is, someone argued, said that the China central bank has paused buying gold for the last 6 months, and then that's why gold has been going sideways. But the thing is, for central banks, like China is selling or not buying, sorry, but other banks are buying. And the thing is this, more importantly, you can see that the numbers are quite high in 2022 and 2023. But the most important, I shared this before, that Singapore Central Bank has become the world third largest gold holders. And because of that itself, right, gold largest gold buyer, not holder, sorry, my bad. So largest buyer for 2023. So with this, I'm pretty confident that our government know what to do, right? So when I look into detail, then I realized that China has resumed buying. So on December the 7th, they resumed buying gold and they have been buying a bit. So with China now back in the buying spree, I believe that gold will definitely go higher, and 2868 is just a number. So based on my indicator, you can see every time when the KCX indicator flashes green in color, it basically spot on the bottom of the market and it comes together with the diamond indicator, it'll be perfect. So you can see that it's really, really good. Every time you see it turning green, it's a time to buy gold. So based on what I see right now, I suspect that we could see the gold going up a little bit, and then there'll be a pullback or 2 times more, and then there'll be 2 times the KCX indicator will likely see the green again before we bounce to the 2868 target. So guys, we probably have 2 more times of the KCX coming down. That is why you really need to capture this. If you can do that, you will be making a lot of money, because remember, since 7 months ago, I have already said that gold will be going higher, and I gave the target of 2868 that's 7 months ago. So back then the gold was at 2218, and I already gave this number. And after that, about 2 months later to 3 months later, I came out another reason why it's a good time to buy gold. I still am saying that we can even go to 2980 now based on the 300 basis point of gold, of dollar going to 105.50, it is actually very possible that the euphoria may bring gold all the way to 2980. Just like Bitcoin from this 70,000 we call for buy, and now it's 108,000. So it's all is very possible. And of course, most recently, that's 4 weeks ago, I keep on reminding you guys, Donald Trump and Elon Musk will be one of my reasons why buying gold is good. And now today, I'm giving a target and a date itself by March to April 2025. I believe gold will hit this number, right? 2868. Okay. So hopefully you guys will like this video. This is Cal signing off. Take care and have a great time in the market. Bye bye.